If Figma is showing error 109, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a network, security, or connectivity problem, so the good news is that it can often be solved without reinstalling everything or losing your work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check your connection, test different networks, clear cache, and make sure Figma is allowed to communicate properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's check your network security settings. One of the most common reasons for Figma Error 109 is that something on your computer or network is blocking the app from connecting properly. Start by temporarily turning off your VPN if you use one. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Figma's connection and trigger this error. If you have a proxy enabled, disable that too. Then, if you're using third-party antivirus software, pause it briefly just to test whether it's causing the issue. Some security tools can block the connections Figma needs in the background, even when the app itself looks like it's opening normally. After turning those off, try opening Figma again. If the error disappears, then you found the cause. In that case, you may not need to keep everything disabled forever, but you may need to whitelist Figma in your antivirus or security software so it can run without being blocked. That small step can save you from running into the same issue again later. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is switch networks. This is a very useful test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your local internet connection. For example, your home router, office network, school Wi-Fi, or even a public network may be restricting the traffic Figma needs. The easiest way to test this is to connect your computer to a mobile hotspot from your phone. If Figma works on the hotspot, then your original network is likely the problem. If you're on a company or school network, the issue may be caused by firewall rules or network restrictions set by an administrator. In that case, you may need to contact your IT team and ask them to allow Figma traffic. If you're at home, restarting your router can also help. But switching networks is the fastest way to confirm whether the problem is network related. Now let's test the web version of Figma. Open a browser like Chrome or Firefox and go to Figma in the browser instead of using the desktop app. This step is important because it helps you determine whether the issue is isolated to the Figma desktop app or affecting your entire system. If Figma works perfectly in the browser, then the desktop app may have a local cache issue or another app-specific problem. If the web version also fails, that points more strongly to a network or browser security issue. When testing the browser version, make sure you're signed into the correct account and try opening the same file that was causing the error. If the browser version loads without any issues, then you can move on to clearing the app cache or browser data. If not, go back and recheck your security settings and network connection. Next, clear the app cache. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and when that happens, Figma may struggle to load properly. If you're using the browser version, clear your browser cache and cookies for Figma, then refresh the page and sign back in. If you're using the desktop app, reset the Figma desktop app cache from the app settings or by clearing the local application data depending on your operating system. After clearing the cache, completely close Figma and reopen it. Don't just switch tabs or minimize the app. Make sure it fully restarts so it can rebuild fresh files and reconnect properly. This is one of the most effective steps when a desktop app is behaving strangely, especially if the error started after an update or after your internet changed. Now let's check port 443. This is a very important one because Figma relies on secure web traffic and port 443 must be open for that connection to work properly. If port 443 is blocked by your router, firewall, antivirus, or office network, Figma may fail to connect and show error 109. You also want to make sure WebSockets and WebGL traffic are not being blocked, because Figma uses these components for smooth, real-time collaboration and performance. If you have access to your firewall settings, review the rules and make sure Figma is allowed through. If you're on a managed network, you may need to ask someone with admin access to confirm that outbound traffic on port 443 is permitted. On some networks, SSL inspection or strict filtering can also interfere with this type of app connection, so that's another thing to keep in mind. At this point, If you've gone through all of these steps, you should have a much better idea of what is causing the problem. In most cases, turning off a VPN, switching networks, or clearing cache is enough to fix Figma Error 109. If the issue is still happening, the next best step is to try a different device or reach out to Figma support with details about your network setup and the troubleshooting you already performed. So to quickly recap, first, check your VPN, Proxy, and Antivirus. Then switch networks and test a mobile hotspot. Next, try Figma in the browser. After that, clear your cache and finally make sure port 443 and related web traffic are allowed. Following those steps in order will solve the problem for most users without too much hassle. If this tutorial helped you fix Figma Error 109, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a version of this video script for a shorter YouTube short or a more advanced troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.